probably tell that today is indeed going to be a POV shot. First and foremost, before anything and everything, guys, I just want to say thank you all for like supporting me, supporting the channel, and just, you know, hitting the subscribe and like button. Like, yo, guys, I've been seeing the support over the past few weeks, honestly, all throughout summertime, and I just want to say thank you to all of you. As I mentioned earlier, right, this is going to be a point of view video, but where are we going, you may ask? We are actually going up a mountain. Now, the reason why I'm going up a mountain with the RCF is because I feel like I need more practice with driving around sharp corners, and, you know, just trying to handle this car just a bit better. I need some practice, but first, we must get some gas because I'm at a half tank. Owning a V8 is really enjoyable until you're at the gas station every day, or sometimes even 3 times a day. And I also gotta like weave through all of these roads and stuff, as you guys can see. This is the only way a low car could survive in New York City. You have to like turn, twist, and turn, avoid these dips, because every corner, guys, every corner, you're gonna have a pothole or a dip of some sort in New York City. Gotta be careful. Blind side, all right. Make this left. Gotta avoid that pothole. Yep, there we go. Oh shit, turn green, thank you. Every time, but it's all good though, you know. I don't think I'm gonna fill up the tank all the way. I think I'm gonna fill it up almost all the way, then I'm gonna stop at another station and fill up on some E85. Because I'm trying to aim for E30, about an E30, E40 mix in the car. And it's not that I need the extra horsepower right now, but for later on, hint, you know, I'm gonna need the extra horsepower. I think I'm gonna put about 25 bucks in it right now. Man, only if these RCs came in 4 cylinders, right? Wait, they do. I think I'm gonna have to trade this in for a 200T. You guys feel me? I think that I'm gonna just keep the RCF. No, I filled the tank up by accident. Oh, it's fine. Accidents happen. At least this is a good accident, right? I guess. Even though I did want E85, it's fine. I'll just fill up on E85 and maybe later on in the week, or yeah, I don't know. All right, I'm just order. Wait, damn, what am I ordering? Man, I really got to think about this. I don't know. Spark Energy. Yeah, Spark Energy drink. Spark Energy drink. All right, Spark Energy drink. Hey, how you doing? Good, you? Yeah, I'm good. So much. As I was saying, guys, if I had my SUV, right, I'm able to like get pretty close to the window, but when I'm in the RCF, for some strange reason, this car doesn't allow me to get close to anything. Give me some packs of water. Alright, guys, I got the Spark Energy right here. I'm not a coffee person, but I am an energy drink person, sorta. It tastes like a Red Bull. Yeah, it tastes like a Red Bull. I feel the energy. All right, guys, I'm out. And shit, what the fuck? Anyways, guys, this is a good thing that I have this thing, right? Let's read the codes. Yay! No pen and codes are stored in the module. All right, it's now time to drive this thing. All right, guys, we are finally on the road. And also, guys, just first and foremost, I also want to apologize for, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but over there, right? It's a bit foggy over there. Well, how do I explain this? I kind of scratched my GoPro. Now, I am trying to figure out a way to fix it because it's kind of irking me as of now, but yeah. But anyways, guys, we are on our way to the mountain and the car is all fixed up, and yeah, hopefully it stays like that. Quick pull. Supposed to be on this lane. Ooh, hello there, IS 350. Honestly, guys, it's so interesting. But all jokes aside, that is the first IS 350 I've seen in probably 3 months. I'm so serious. And I'm not counting the cars in Coffee also. I typically only see IS 250. So in my opinion, I'm gonna be honest, IS 350s are pretty uncommon cars. About an all-black car, bro. I think it looks clean, and it's pretty stock also. Still though, bro, I think it looks clean as hell, super clean. But yeah. Trying to show up for me or something. We see a C63 AMG. Yo, I pulled up around him, right? And all I started hearing was brown, brow, 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 brow. It's a bit too much traffic to have fun though. All right, yeah, he's kind of wilding. I don't think I'll be, I'm not doing that. Yo, what's going on today? I have an HRV cutting up, an AMG C63 cutting up. Look at this guy, look, look, look. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna just chill out. I've had my 5 seconds of fun. Now I'm just keep it safe, or safer, as I should say. Oh man, that was pretty fun though, but yeah. All right guys, real quick, we had to do a pit stop, and it's not because I had to take a leak, which I did. I still have to, so I did not, but it's because we are approaching the mountain. So I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show you guys the map, because I'm in Mexico, of course. The next point of view shot you guys see, that will be me on the mountain. I just gotta wait till it's clear. Let's wait till it's clear. It's not that clear as of yet. Oh man. All right, we good. Ooh. Cybertruck? What? Crazy. All right, guys, we are kind of on the mountain. Yep. This is how I know, because of this wall right here. And yeah, now it'll be a bit tricky because people are slowing down ahead. Let me see if I can maybe pass these folks. I don't know how, but break for sure. So, I'm on my way back home from tackling the mountain, and yeah, I'm gonna be honest, right? The first ever time I went, I was kind of scared, which was about a few months ago. Well, I wouldn't say I was scared, but like I was a bit like, you know, shaky, right? But now, I'm gonna be honest, yo, that honestly wasn't that bad. As I was tackling the mountain, right, or whatever that was, right, if you guys tackle mountains often, or even if you are at the track often, and if you have some constructive feedback to give me, please give me all constructive feedback, because yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm trying to get better and better, and ultimately I'm trying to actually end up on the track ultimately. So yeah, so if you guys have any feedback, like maybe I was in the wrong gear for a few turns, or maybe I was stepping on the gas too much, yeah, just, you know, I need some feedback, because, you know, I'm not perfect, I don't know everything, and I'm open to learning something new every single day. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys did make it this far, I really appreciate you so much. And also, if you did make it this far, I'm curious to see who did. So if you did make it this far, in the comments below, drop down, I don't know, a fire emoji or something, or like something random, like a random emoji of any choice, but, you know, please make it appropriate, because some of you guys be really interesting. But hope you guys did enjoy the video, and catch you guys on the next video. Peace. All right, guys, I know I said I'm out, but here's a GS 350, right? And yo, this guy is wilding out. Yo, I don't know why today, out of all days, everyone just seems to wild out. Hold on, bro, is this the V8? Cool. All right, let's see if I can talk to him. That shit moves, bro. I think he's off the exit now. But he asked me for a pull, so shit. You guys know how it goes. I couldn't say no. I had to do a pull. Man, I'm gonna need a new engine soon. Oh boy. Or trans, I don't know. And that's only if I keep this up.